Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you. We came back again in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So, as you see, guys, here, what we got, the daily candle here, what it's doing here, it zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, what it's doing here, that zone, me I told you here, that one, still very stronger, and that candle here, it fall down till here, till the open of the last candle. Then it went upward till here. So still a very stronger level there. So there is no buying yet, as I tell it to you, because that zone here is very stronger level. Let's show you all those things before. I told you it started from here and here. To draw it is very simple. It just came like that, and you do it like that. So that the zone, as you see it, how we draw it from here, here, and here, and here. So make a close eye at that zone. So till now there is nothing new. Also we're still in that zone. The volume down, guys, as you see it here, is only that candle here of pushing up, and that candle of the whales. Those people they buying in FTX, then other exchanges they follow, because the FTX they show big whales they buying there. So it's the only candle which is here, that one, that bigger one, that pushing the price out that much. Then after that, if you see in down here in the volume, that candle here, there is no volume, and that one which is going now, there is no volume, as you see it. So make a close eye at those things. There is no volume, guys. Here the volume is getting lower and lower and lower. That means now it's going to happen one of two. It's going either to break for you up or to break for you lower, because it's always happening when the volume getting lower. Then after that it followed by a big move. Same thing like here, slow volume, big move. Here, slow volume, big move. Here, slow volume, big move. Same thing here happening. Now slow volume here happening. There is a big move going to happen. We don't know to where, either up or either down. And I explained to you before how to, if it's breaking up, what you need to do. If it's breaking lower, what you need to do. Up for us to enter long, I tell it to you before. But for the people that just came now, I tell you, it's need the market to give you here at least double bottom for us to know us we are going to go long. And in the weekly it needs to break for you the 200 moving average, which is here. I think in the weekly, I think everything is too clear here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not subscriber yet in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. Every day 2 videos. So if you are interested, you can join us by just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to all to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So when you're going to be in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? And please smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. If you done it, thank you very much, my friend. Let's continue now. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator, guys, as you see it, we're still in the same zone. There is nothing new happening here. Tell you all those things before. I told you it's still here in that wall. Here there is nothing new happening now. So let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear. As you see it here, it's showing it's breaking up, but there is nothing yet confirmed. It needs to break for us that long term trend. That one, by the way, that one also we follow it from 2021, that trend line. I can even show it to you where we started. Not 2021, we started from here, from the last peak. Yeah, in 21 October 2021, as you see it, that the trend line also we've been following. And it's been very stronger trend line, as you see it. And even the last time from it fell down. And now look where we are down here. So let's wait in now what's going to happen, guys. Till now there is no divergence, nothing here down. It's waiting now if it's going to fall down again. Then after that it's going to go upward. I think everything is too clear, guys. Here in our indicator, guys, here it's still showing us we're still in the control of the bear. Still it's breaking for us the trend line here. Then at the right time for us we are going to be in the control of the bulls. And I tell it to you before and I will repeat it, macroeconomical of the world also is still in very bad moment, guys. The inflation is still very high. The interest rate of Europe and USA, they still hiking interest rate. They don't start at the lower end. They still tightening. So there is nothing it's showing us we are going to finish from that bear market. And another thing, as you see it now, the winter is coming and you know the problems of the gas and energy in general. So I think it's going to be more higher than now. And that week after, I think Tuesday, is going to come the inflation. There is the inflation of UK and the inflation of USA. So make a close eye at those things, what they are going to tell you. It might the inflation now is going to peak, to do a small peak like that. But after that, we need to know if it's going to break or no. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's go into see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, that one here, it's still here at the oversold area. Yes, it's trying to go out from it. If we zoom it, we're going to see it here. If you see here with me, what you're seeing, it's going out from the oversold area here. But in the chart, that one at the end, it's just an oscillator. It will not give you 100%. It needs the price action in the chart to give you a price action indicating the market is going to change. Till now, there is nothing yet confirmed, guys. As I tell it to you, it might that one just a correction for the market to happen, to go higher than that. So you need to know how to read the trend, guys. Where is the high? It was here. That the low. It might that one just another high for that lower trend. Then after that, it's going to give you another low. So for us to know that one is finished, it's need at least to give you like here. If you remember here, what it give you here. Here it give us a triple bottom here. That way us we being sure it's going to go higher. Then it went tail here. Now it doesn't give us nothing here as you see it. So there is nothing yet confirmed, guys. I think here we finish it from the daily. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what 4 hours the market doing right now. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see what the market doing here. We're still above the 200 moving average here, and there is nothing yet. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here, what else we have here, it's showing here a rejection. Let me be honest. As you see those candles here, they showing a rejection. They showing the market here there is a war, and the 200 moving average here when it's being broken, it's reacting here like a support, but there is nothing yet. Here in the volume down, it's indicating something different, guys. If you see here with me, here and here, it's indicating a divergence in the volume, guys, because here in the chart the market is going up, and here in the volume the market is falling down. So make a close eye at that one. And here, what I told to you before, here, it gives us here like a small wedge like that, or a small channel like that. The names doesn't matter. Yes, it's an up channel, but now, most today in Sunday, there is not a lot of volume because it's the end of the weekly candle. So let's wait in Monday what is going to bring for us, because as majority of you know, in Saturday and Sunday, professional traders, they are not in the market. The only people they are in the market at that time is only some market makers and retail investors. So Saturday and Sunday, you can make a decision about that. Everything is too clear here, and in my chart I showed to you all those things before. Breaking for us here the channel of us, and now he breaking for us the 200 moving average. The last channel we got is the one here, so we need to make a close eye at it. And another thing here, as you see it here, what me I got, it's ticket of those ones for the picture to be more clear to you. Here what me I got here, guys, here I got a supply and demand zone, or you can even make one from here, from the one, from the last one here, as you see it. Now it needs the market to fall down again to it. Then after that to came up to break for us the last high, which is that one here. If it break it for us, that means there is an entry long, guys. So make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you. Till now there is no entry, guys. We don't know when it's going the market to fall down. So I think everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our indicators, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we are at the overbought area. And I tell it to you before, that indicator is very, very, very rare. He entering here at the overbought area. And here there is a small divergence, guys. It's a hiding divergence. Let's make it like that. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, here, from that zone. Let me draw it like that, from that zone here, and that one here. What you see in there. So if you bring in like 2 lines like that, and that one here, like that, you see in there a divergence is a hiding divergence. Let's make it like that. You need to be very, very careful, guys. So till now there is a big scariness in the market. So now what my view to it, me I tell it to you before, when that one is it here at the overbought area, is a highly chance the market is going to fall down. And for us to enter long, it needs to fall down here to that wall and don't break it to show here a reverse. That's when we're going to enter. By the way, when is it the right time to enter? It's very simple. you just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. Also, when there is a time to enter, we will put it for you here in our video. And also every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos. So like that, you're going to know what the market doing right now. And you learn from professional people. So analyze for you is professional people, not people that just copy from online. Also, we analyze for you live. Also, we don't write in script or something. Also, we just open in the chat and we started analyzing for you to know the real data, what it's telling you. I think everything is too clear here in our indicator. Let's go to see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, where we are here at the overbought area. So it's a high chance now the market is going to fall down. Because as I tell it to you, what you got here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, you are in it now. And that will push the market the last time. It fell down from here because of that zone here. Now you are in it again. And that one here is indicating now we are at the overbought area. What you need now, a price action here indicating the market is going to fall down. Then after that, it's going to fall down. Levels you got for you if you enter short here. The first one, second one here. So if the market does like that, fall down till that zone here, that one here, then after that came upward and break for you the last high, which is here. That's the right time for you to enter, guys. It's going to be the right time for you to enter, and that time the market is going to give you like a head and shoulder like that. Until now, there is nothing yet confirmed. The only thing we'll be in is also in 30 minutes. It gives us a cup and handle, but 30 minutes is just for small time frame. Here in the daily and 4 hours, there is nothing. There is no price action indicating the market is going to go up, guys. So till now, the cryptocurrency, guys, also is still in a indecision level. The only people they buying. As I tell it to you yesterday, maybe they know something, also we don't know it. But us, how we're going to be, we are confirmed 100%. It's need the market to give us a price action, indicating that the market is going to go higher. Because me and know I've been in this market for long, and I'll tell it to you, the price action is the only key of success. All the indicators, everything, it doesn't work. If you want to be a success trader, price action, guys. So I think everything is too clear till now. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, as you see it here, also we're still here in that level, also we drawing yesterday. I do with that one, that level here, we draw it yesterday together. And what did I told you here at that zone here? Yesterday we drawing here a small triangle like that. Tell now what the market showing now, guys. Market doesn't break no either up or either down. And here the market was it showing here in that zone. It's showing here like it's near to give us a triple bottom if it fell down like that. But that one is just a small indication. Also we need the big indication. And here, as you see that white one here, that one the long term trend, that one it's been from 2014 until now. It's been the long term trend. Yes, the Bitcoin what it done here, he break it here in that zone here, then he went back inside it. Now for you to know and to be sure the market is going to go higher, the market to fall down to the 200 moving average and that long-term trend. Then after that to came upward and to break for you the last high, which is here. 100%, my friend, enter and your eyes close at that time. So now there is nothing yet confirmed, guys. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as I showed to you before, it gives you here a small divergence like that, as you see it. And here, it's still at the overbought area. Price action I show it to you. You got there a triangle or a wedge. The names doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. So now it's need to break down for you. You enter short, guys, because you are in a very stronger level. That level here from it last time it fell down. If you see it here, last time how it fell down because of that level. That one also withdrawing with yellow. That's how it fell down last time. So make a close eye at it. If you enter short, the take profit of you it need to be here, but not yet. It need to give you the break here for a price action, because from here till midnight when the daily candle finishes, I don't know what's going to happen. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, so when the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come and to update you. And please, guys, help us by just smashing the like button, and if you could write for us a comment, tell us your opinion. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.